Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. And today we're doing these lovely cards with the Changing Leaves bundle. Here's another version. The Changing Leaves bundle has these stamp sets along with these coordinating dies. And the extra part of it is it actually includes a hybrid embossing folder. Which that means is there's an actual die that'll snap into. I don't know if you can hear that. I'll do it again. It snaps right in there, and then it embosses and die cuts at the same time. And I'll show you how that works. Let's get started. So you're going to need a card base that is 5.5 by 7 3/4, scored at 4 1/4, and that makes that extra space. Some lovely DSP with some wonderful watercolors. I believe this is Meandering Meadows, 6 by 6. Basic white piece to emboss, 3 1/4 by 5 1/4, and then a small piece of DSP, 3/4 by 5 1/4. And I believe this one's the Thoughtful. Let me look. Thoughtful Designs. So let me get these measurements out of the way. Score this. Fold along the score line with that space right here. Perfectly for. Let me see my Stampin' Sale Plus with the T to show you where to start and to put away. Fits perfectly right here. This I'm going to go ahead and emboss first in the folder, and you can choose where you want it. You want the big leaf showing, you want the smaller leaves. I think I'm gonna do the smaller leaves. I'll be right back. And there it is. I'm gonna go ahead and adhere it to the front of the card. Center that. And let's go ahead and use the embossing folder again, but this time snapping in. Let's see if I can do this on camera. There we go, snapping it in to the embossing folder. So I'm going to do this side, not this one. I prefer the watercolor then, so I'm going to flip it over here, and that's what it's going to look like. And you can turn your paper accordingly depending on where you want the colors to show. I'll be right back. And I don't know if you can see that. And you just bend the folder a little bit just to get it out. And what's cool about that, so I'm going to use the big one. Lots of space here for other die cuts, so I can run it through it again and put some of these smaller, more intricate pieces to cut out coordinating colors to be able to add an accent. I even snuck in some labels, so let me die cut that so I didn't waste any of that paper. And these are the pieces I got out. I may or may not use them. I might save them for another day, but I wanted to be able to use these lovely dies. I love the intricate ones. I think they'll look really nice on the card. There's one more here. I love the little holes to be able to poke stuff out. And this one, I may have to poke it, but I'm hoping it'll come out. Yep, the pieces come out as you peel them, so you're not poking everything out, which is lovely. Let me put those away. What do you think? Let's add some more to our card. We'll start with some glue. I'm not going to put on the entire thing because I like tucking some leaves in. We'll start with that one. And you can also use the adhesive sheets. Don't forget those to make these into stickers. There. I think I like this one. Maybe the one with the baby leaves. Oops. Sticking to me instead of your paper. Let's try that again. There we go. Then a few dots here. I think we're good. And I'll save the other for maybe another crafting day. Lots of extra for an additional card. Don't want to waste paper. Alright, so here is the finished card. Isn't that pretty? Let me bring back the other cards we had and see if you prefer. And such a rainbow of colors in terms of being able to use the paper. So thanks for letting me share this with you. If you enjoyed this video tutorial, please be sure to like and subscribe, and you'll see more video tutorials of some really great cards. Thanks for letting me share this with you. Have a great day. Bye.